Hi everyone, Frederick here, Simple System Trading. This video is about a new study I released to the Autotrading bundle and of course the all-in-one bundle. It's called the SST ACS Toggle Study. ACS is an advanced custom study button, and I got this recent question from a good client. He wondered if it was possible to use a button or keyboard shortcut to turn on and off the long or short side when using my Autotrader. And of course, that's possible. I created a study that allows you to do that, and let me demonstrate it to you. You see here a chart. It's currently in replay mode on CL. The Autotrader is loaded here, and as you might know, with the Autotrader you can use the right-click menu as well to turn on and off the strategy or longs and shorts as well. But this is not the quickest possible. So what could be done is that you set up a control bar with buttons here. You see this is control bar 1, which has control bar buttons on it. You see here you can customize the control bar, and I have here the custom study buttons number 2, 3, and 4 in my control bar. That button can be used as well in your keyboard shortcuts. If you go to keyboard shortcuts, there is a custom study control bar button, and here you see them, all the numbers, and you can create a shortcut. So let's create a shortcut for this control bar 2. I will like Control A, assign it. Let's do one for the custom button Control number 3. Assign Control Z to that. So if I push Control A, you will see this custom study button 2 will turn on and off again. The same is with the other shortcut I just entered. I created a study that will allow you to toggle any setting that has an on or off, a yes or no setting can be toggled with a button. So you see these are yes/no settings, right? Any study that has yes/no settings can be controlled with this new study. Let me show you. If you add custom study, you will see in this case is the all-in-one bundle, and there's a study called ACS Toggle Study. That study we load on the chart here, and we have a few settings. First is the number of the button you want to use as your toggle button. I call that the TGL button, in this case number 2, and I want to use this to toggle the Autotrader study, and I want to use setting number 2, which is to go either activate or disactivate the longs. Here you see IN2 is the number 2, is the setting number. So in my toggle study, I want to have the study input of the yes/no setting of the longs, which is number 2. You can use this on any study that has yes/no setting. I'm using this on the chart where the SST AT is loaded, so I need to set this to yes to make all the interaction with the SST AT work. So I need to set the ID here and the number of the button I use in the SST AT, which is default of 1. So right now with these study settings, I will have a toggle long button that will allow me to toggle the longs on and off. You will see here as well, the long is off. I push it again, the long is on. So that's the way you can use this. With all the study buttons in Share a Chart, there can be only one in a pushed state. So if you push one, the other one will be in a non-pushed state. You will see that this study will just push it once. And in the case of the SST AT, the toggle button will also reset back the SST AT to the current state. Because it could be that you use this for another study and you still want to keep the SST AT off. That's why this is in there. But if you want to use this study to toggle the SST AT itself, you'll need to set this study setting here to yes. So let's say number 3 is this button, which we're going to use to set the Autotrader study number, input number 1, which is yes, no for the Autotrader. So this button here will now turn the study on and off, like right here. If you do that, it will turn on and off. If you use that button to do that, then the toggle will just work. If you turn it off with that button, then the toggle will turn it on. So that's the difference between using this button and using this button. So now you have the possibility to use your shortcuts, like I do right now, to work your on and off settings. So that's what I wanted to show you. Have a look at it. Let me know what you think. And I hope this helps you trade with the Autotrader. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Bye-bye.